Hello everyone. Today we are going to do few questions of chapter number 1 integers of class 7th. Question number 1 is the sum of two integers is minus 11. If one of them is 9, then you are going to find out the other number. See, what is given here that sum of two integers is minus 11. Sum of two integers, you can write here that it is minus 11. Now, one of the integer is given to you, which is 9. So, you can write here 9. Another integer, you can take it as x. Now, I need to find out x. So, you know the rule that whenever we need to find out a variable, then the number which is nearby the variable, this 9 you're going to take on the right hand side. And the condition is that whenever you are taking the number of on any other side, then the sign is going to be changed. So this plus 9 will become minus 9 on the right hand side. जब भी आप वेरिएबल को निकालोगे तब वेरिएबल के साथ कोई भी नंबर होगा तो वो दूसरी साइड में जाके उसका साइन बदल जाएगा, प्लस 9 माइनस 9 बन जाएगा. Minus 11 minus 9. Again, we are having the rule of integer when we are having two negative numbers. Minus 11 minus 9. So, minus minus plus. Here we are going to add. So, 11 plus 9, which is 20. And the sign would be minus. Minus minus plus, sign would be minus. So, what we have done here in this question, it was given that sum of the two integers was minus 11. Sum of the two integers minus 11 है. You need to find out one integer when another integer is given to you. Means एक integer आपको दिया हुआ है. You have to find out the other integer. So other integer I'm taking it as x. And so how we are going to write down 9 plus x is equal to minus 11. This 9 will go towards the right hand side. So minus 11 plus 9 will become minus 9. Minus 11 minus 9 minus minus plus, sign would be minus. So 11 plus 9 is equal to 20, or sign would be minus 20. So another integer is minus 20. So you can write down the other number, other integer. Hence, other integer is minus 20. Now, question number 2 is, the sum of two integers is 65. If one of them is minus 31, find the other. Again, the question is same, but the numbers are changed. The sum of two integers, again we are going to do so that you will be able to understand better. Sum of two integers. Again I am writing, and it is given sum of two integers equal to 65. Now one integer is given to you, that is minus 31. So I am writing here minus 31. Another I am taking as x. You can take y also. Now again x plus minus 31. This minus 31 you are going to take on the right hand side, and you know the condition that the sign is going to be changed. Minus 31 right side में जाके बन जाएगा plus 31. Now you can add simply, it is 96. X is equal to 96. Hence answer is, the other integer is is 96. Question number 3 is the difference of an integer b and minus 6. So I am writing here the difference of an integer b. Difference means you are going to subtract. Integer b is given. Difference means I am going to subtract here. Another integer is also given, which is minus 6 is equal to 4. Now, whenever there are two signs together, you are going to change it, minus 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 into minus. Minus minus plus 6 is equal to 4. Now plus 6, you need to find out b. Plus 6, when it will go to the right hand side, it will become minus 6. 4 plus 6 right में जाके minus 6 हो गया. And you know very well, plus 4 minus 6, when we are having two opposite sign, the numbers with two opposite sign, we are going to subtract. So 6 minus 4 is 2, and the sign would be of greater value. 6 is greater than 4, so 6 is a negative number. It means ultimately the answer is minus 2. So b is equal to minus 2. Question number 4 is, subtract the sum of minus 1032 and 878 from minus 34. This question you are going to do very carefully. First of all, we are going to find out the sum. First of all, we are going to find out the sum. Sum of minus 1032 minus 1032 plus 878. As you know very well, minus plus minus sign will be of greater value. So 1032 minus 878, we are going to write it down. 1032 minus 878. The answer is 154. So, but the sign would be of greater value. 1032 is greater than 878 and it is negative. It means the answer would be minus 154. After that, you are going to subtract the sum of this. इसका जो sum है, उसको आपको subtract करना है from minus 34. So again you write minus 34. आपको ये minus 154 आंसर को subtract करना है. So minus from minus 34. Now again open up the bracket. Two signs together means open up the bracket, minus minus plus 154. Now minus 34 plus 154. Again, when we are having two opposite sign number, one is negative, another is positive number, you are going to ultimately subtract. So 154 minus 34. The answer would be 120. The answer would be 120. So the answer is plus 120 because 154 is greater than 34 and 154 is a positive number. Question number 5 says, subtract minus 134 from the sum of 38 and minus 87. So again we are going to find out the sum first. 38 plus minus 87. Again 38 plus minus minus 87. Again both are having different sign. One is positive, another is negative. Ultimately find the difference. So 87 minus 38. It is minus 49. Minus 49. After that, subtract minus 134 from the sum of. So ये जो sum है आपका वो पहले लिखा जाएगा because आपको उसी में से subtract करना है. Now subtract, what you have to subtract? Minus 134. So it is minus 49 plus 134. Again, one is positive, another is negative. Subtracted 134 minus 49. The answer would be your 85. Why positive 85? Because 134 is greater than 49 and 134 is a positive number. Question number 6 is your last question, is in where you are going to simplify. It's given minus 13, minus of minus 27, plus minus 25, minus of minus 40, see, I'm going to open up the bracket first. Minus minus plus 27, you are going to write it down. Minus 25, minus minus plus 40, you're going to write it down. Now, in first bracket, one is negative, another is positive number. Just subtract it. 27 minus 13 is your 14, and it should be plus 14 because 27 is greater than 13 and 27 is a positive number. Now, in case of minus 25 plus 40, here again you are going to subtract because one is negative number, another is positive number. So answer is 15, and it should be positive 15 because 40 is greater than 25, which is positive. Now 14 plus 15 is 29. I hope you have understood this.